Alright, so I saw Honda Jon's easy fix for phone connectivity problems for Honda Accord, and I have the 6-speed manual. This is a 2018 2.0. If we go to settings, it was what? System, about, status. So uptime, 1,443 hours, 5 minutes, 21 seconds. I do have issues. Since I got this car, it was a CPO, 40-something thousand miles. Previous owner had 2 phones on it. I added my phone, and my phone occasionally would get deleted out, but theirs would always stay. I had this happen about 3 times over the course of the past year. I've deleted their phone since, added my phone, still had issues. Randomly will do Google voice control. Randomly will lose connectivity and won't connect with Android Auto. So I'm gonna try Honda Jon's trick. So we're off, in neutral, throw it in reverse, throw it in neutral. So it's doing exactly as he said. This is a first try. Uptime 40 seconds. So it does work on manual. That's how you do it. As it's starting to boot up, go into reverse, leave it there for a second, come into neutral. You'll see, I don't know if you guys saw it, but the reverse camera flashed up for a second, and then it took a minute to boot. But hopefully that takes care of most of the issues. I will update you guys in the comments or whatever, let you guys know how it goes.